Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Developer Ashish and I'm back with this time a small project that is I just gonna let you know what is Google Teachable Machine. Like, this is a very amazing thing which is developed by the Google, where you can train your images. Like, you can do face recognition, you can do pose estimation, you can do voice recognition like snap, clap. Okay, you can do object recognition without codings, without any GPU. And if you want to try this on any Python editor now or any Python IDE, then they also provide you a ready-made code so that you can just try it out. Okay, you just need to copy and paste those code. But even without codings, you can try this. Okay, like you can see the face recognition, animals recognition, object recognition, sound classification, pose estimation. This type of projects you can do. 2 minutes tutorial are also there. How do I use it? I'm gonna explain you step by step process. Okay, class 1, class 2, we just need to, like, in just 3 simple steps without coding. Anyone can do it. Okay, anyone can. You can do image classification, sound classification, and poses estimation. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and they are working on several more projects. You just need to do right Google Teachable Machine and just gonna click on that here. Okay, and just gonna get started. That's all. So they have more coming soon. Right now they have image project, audio project, and post project. Alright, let's try it out one by one. Alright, now here you can see in face recognition, or you can do object recognition also here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you how to do face recognition. Then I'm going to show you how to do object recognition, like both of them together. Alright, okay. In class 1, let's say it's my name. I'm going to show you first face recognition and object recognition both together. Developer Ashish. And in second, let's say it's my mobile phone. Yeah, and that's all. Now here you can see you have like some option: delete class, disable class. Okay, we're not going to use it, and you can add more classes as much as you want, I guess. Now you have two options. Either you can upload it from, like, if you have some plenty amount of images. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it with dogs versus cats classification. But right now, first of all, let's use the webcam, and my webcam is opened. And like, see, record 20 seconds. Here you have some settings also. FPS. Okay, hold to record. If you just on it now, and then that means you just need to hold this button to keep taking images. Okay, but I'm just gonna keep it off, and I'm gonna give myself 2 seconds of delay just to before it starts taking pictures. It will give me just a delay of 2 seconds. That's all. And for 20 seconds, 25, let's say, it's gonna take my photographs. Okay, save settings, and here I go. 2 second delay, and my hand is also coming. My hand just came. Alright. We have now 390 images samples. One thing I forgot to tell you, that it uses transfer learning method. Okay, like some models are already being trained. Okay, like some images it has already trained, and now it is taking my input image to train on that pre-trained model. Okay, so that's how it uses like you can say transfer learning method. And you can know more about transfer learning method, like just by transfer learning method, and you can just read it out. Okay, in transfer learning, it will just take like In like traditionally ML, you just need to train it, okay, according like for task 1, task 2. But in transfer learning, learning of new task relies on previous learned task. Okay, like previously we have trained our model, and for new input we're gonna train it again, but based on the previous knowledge. Okay, that's all. Now for the, let's come mobile. Put my mobile, and okay, and for the same setting I'm gonna keep myself. So it's training my mobile phone, and let's see. Alright. Okay. Now we have like almost 390 images of my face and 378. Alright. If you want to add more classes, and how to stop the taking input like from my webcam. Alright. If you want to add more classes, then you can just simply click on there and just rename it, and that's all. But let me just delete this class, and now you just need to train the model. Okay. Now the training is started, and yeah, here you can see you don't need GPU now, because it is using the GPU of like of Google, you can say na, like the Google Cloud Computing. That's all. So see how fast it is training, because it is using the GPUs of like Google server. Okay, you can do it for 50 poches, batch, like as much as you want, batch size, learning rate. That's all. See how fast and how easily you can train your model without codings, without GPU. Okay, otherwise you need to write plenty amount of codes. And see here, developer Ashish, it's taking my input, and alright, and webcam, file. Okay, and if I just mobile phone, if I hide my face and mobile phone, it's working. And if I go to alright, okay, so from here, like you can see, it is right now testing it using the webcam. Here you can just press the file button, and you can test it using your, like using any photo of your computer. Okay, like you can test it using any photo. So here you can see this is my photo, and it is showing 64% of developer Ashish. I don't know why. Alright, and let's see what if I give to like any dog image or cat image, anything like 10 mobile. Why this is happening? Because it has to show something. Okay, in this teachable machine there is not an option for like none of the above or none of them, so it has to show something, so that's why it is showing. But alright, so that's how you can test it using any image. Okay, and you can now just simply, let me just export the model. Here is the main part, not main actually. You can either upload the file or you can just download it. This is TensorFlow.js. This is for TensorFlow or Keras. Okay, like they are giving the ready-made code. You just need to copy and run it on simple. Ideally, you can do it. And TensorFlow Lite for, I guess yes, for Raspberry Pi thing. But alright. Keras saved model. Keras means .h5 model, and saved models, I guess, for .model. But alright. Now let me show you how to upload the image. Okay. Now from here first, and drive. This is, we gonna first let's name it now. and I'm going to show you both for dog and cat. So first, you can just simply choose some this much image, and I just want to choose not much. Let me just okay. And make sure you choose almost same amount of images, okay, with respect to first class. And that was the dog, and it's time for the cats. Make sure it's almost 444, or means almost like around 444. Let's see how many we choose. 421. Alright, 478. Oh, we don't need because okay, alright, we can, it's like good to go. Now you can just simply, if you want to choose from drive, now here is the option of, I didn't read that, import images from Google Drive. You just need to, it will ask you some couple of things, okay, like I've already allowed it, no, so it will ask you some couple of things. You just need to do like allow them, and just it will open your G Drive. And I don't have my own image here, but I'm just going to show you how to, like, if you have multiple images, and simply do this. Like, I'm just going to show you how to import 4 images. So that's how you can import your images, okay. Let me just delete this. You can import as many as you want. Let's now train the model, and I'm going to pause the video here. Now the training is completed, and if you have any dog or cat in your house, you can test it by using this webcam, and it has to show something. That's why it is showing me a dog. Let's test it using I know I was like already when I was practicing, but here it is showing cat as a dog. Let's try some another image, okay. Alright, it happens. A large icon. Let's try anything you want. Let's try this. Cat, yes. Alright. Let's try 2 more. One on cat and this black white. Okay, and let's try for dog. Where is my favorite dog? Okay, alright, I don't know. Dog. Okay, so that's how you can test it. And if you have any dog or cat in your house, you can test it by using webcam. Let's move forward to see how to do this audio project, how to classify, how to do classification between 2 audios, okay, like 2 music, 2 songs. I don't think songs gonna work, but alright. Okay, let's start here. So let's click here, and it uses a speech recognition command of 18 words, okay. That paper link I'll post it on the description, you can read it. So that has the that has the pre-trained model of 18 words and 18 kind of noises, I guess, and one class is background noise. Why background noise is needed? Because whatever class 2 you will give, or how many classes, like, doesn't matter, but whatever class you're gonna give, okay, like a clapping, whistling, okay, to differentiate between whistling or clapping and not clapping, we need background noise, okay. Background noise means that negative part where clapping is not happening, where song is not playing, okay, so where music is not playing. So we need that negative part also, so that we can differentiate, like, okay, clapping is going on and now clapping is not going on. That's why. So I'm just gonna use my mic, and some people might face the problem here, like permission not granted types, like kind of error, you can just simply click here and you can just allow this. Okay. Which I don't know which one is mine, but I think let's just hit and try. And we need 20 samples now, so you can just set it here. For delay, you don't need like what kind of delay you need, and in duration 20 seconds. So for 20 seconds I'm gonna be silent. Alright, so if we extract the samples here, you can see, if you just play it now the dog is barking on my, if you and yes, now of class 2 clapping, it just need 8 minimum, but we're gonna do it for 20 seconds. Okay. And alright, if you want delay to set yourself, you can do it, but I don't need, so yeah. Extract the samples and you can see. Now see just the main difference of this image, like the image of audio, okay, and this, it has some orange types, okay, like some orange. It is showing the high pitch amplitude, you can say, because in the background noise there was like no noise at all, no. So it was like very low pitch, but it is showing the amplitude kind of thing, okay, the visualization of how the audio, like what is the audio actually, and the pitch of audio. Now let's train the model, and alright, I'm gonna pause. Okay, and training just happened, and let me just be silent. Okay, when I'm silent, like the background noise bar was very high, but when I'm talking, it is, because when I'm talking, it is just some kind of noise, right? So that's why clapping bar is going high. Otherwise, if I'm silent, then here you can see. So now let me clap. Okay, here you can see it is 400%. Now let me try to clap and talk at the same time. Here, if I just talk at the same time, so it's getting some kind of confused, because of course what kind of noise is this? Okay, so let me add another class of me just talking, oh sorry, talking, and I'm just gonna talk, I don't know what, but still. So here you can see that I'm just talking, and it is recording my voice for 20 seconds, and we have already trained for background noise and clapping. So after that, we just gonna train the model, and then we're gonna classify between background noise, clapping, and me talking. So let's see what result it gives, and I'm just done talking, and here we go, extract the samples, and here you can see, and just see this, there was no pitch, there was little kind of pitch, okay, and just see this, the difference, the amplitude. Okay, so that's the beauty of this Google Teachable machine. And now train the model. I'm gonna pause again. So training just done, and if you see this overlap factor now, this overlap factor determines how frequently the last second of audio is tested against the model you made. Means with an overlap factor of 0, audio will be classified very second. With an overlap of 0.5, audio will be classified every half second. Means it will give just a delay of like 0.5 second to classify, but I need for like 0 completely. Okay, let's now be silent first. and let's just talk now. And here you can see that it is showing me talking and talking, and then the part is going on. And let me just clap now. Now let me talk and clap at the same time, okay? And here I am talking, and it's getting little kind of confused here. Not confused, but basically it is recognizing, okay, what is actually going on, like clapping or talking or both at the same time. But here if I just talk, so let me see what is it. Yes, so little bit of still disturbance still there, like it is not completely showing talking. Now it is showing, but yeah, but in clapping it is working fine, and in the background noise it is working fine. Yeah, but if I just talk, talk, and if I just do clapping, so it is not. And let me just both do it again, and here you can see I'm doing it again, and yeah. So you can see that clapping and talking bar is like going up, down, okay. And you can again then I'm not gonna show it again, but you can just upload and you can do it like upload, download of p5.js or JavaScript in the like in whatever format you want. Let's just see what is this. Okay, all right. So I hope I don't. All right. So our voice classification is completed, and now let's move forward to our last project, that is pose classification. Let's pose project. Open this, and again, let me first do it for like if my head is still, means not moving. Head still. I hope this spelling is right. And second is head is little bit still, and then I'm gonna do it for standing and sitting. Okay, let's record for 25 seconds and delay. I'm just gonna give it to me for at least 3 seconds. Do it now. Yeah. All right. Gonna give me delay of 3 seconds at least. And here you can see that it is taking my photos, and yes, I hope yes it is done. And alright, sorry. And head tilt, I'm just gonna tilt it whatever this way. Okay. Yes, now let's just train the model and see. I'm gonna pause this. So training is about to complete it, and it took some time, like more than usual. I don't know why, but it took some time. But alright, let me test it. Head tail, and let me tilt it. Alright. This is not let me do it for like I trained it for this side, no? Okay, let me do it for this, because see the marker thing here. Okay, it got trained for this side, okay, for this position. But if I do it now, this, then not showing, like getting confused between these two. And if I what I was like this, no? Why the head? little bit this. Alright, yeah. But little bit if I do, then it is I might have trained little bit wrong, but for head still okay. And if I do this, then no, and still. But if I do this, then the parameters means the point is coming this much. Okay, like this point is getting hidden and means it is going in that direction, and that's why it is showing head tilt. So that's how it got trained. Let me do it for this side. Like this is right tilt and left tilt. Okay, let me add another head right tilt. Let me name it right tilt, and let me add another column of head left. I think I trained for head still little bit like this side. I don't know. Let me see. And for left. Train. Hope it doesn't take much time, but let me pause this. So it took me around 7 minutes. Let me not test it. Okay, things went well. I tested like head is still falling wrong if I am doing this. Head tilt. Head is still I am trying. I don't know. Still, it's not doing head still for me. I don't know. My shoulders are in right position. Watch this video till end, okay? Because I'm about to do the standing and sitting thing. Oh, because on my laptop thing, I think. I'm fine. I trained it for head still little wrong because like see the structure it is little tilted and I trained it, so I need to be more careful. Okay, so you be careful. Head still and right tilt, left tilt. Alright. So now let's do our last thing, that is standing and sitting position. Okay. Let me remove this. Standing and sitting. Only we need, and I'm just gonna delete this. This is not disabled. I actually need to delete it completely. And I need to remove all samples. Remove all samples. Stop taking input. And let me just stand and sit. And let me start the training by starting webcam. I'm gonna give myself 5 seconds of delay. I'm gonna record it for 25 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go behind my full board. Like I don't have that much space in my room, but still okay. In 5 seconds, and you can see no. That's how you need to sometimes set things up. I need to set it up, and I'm gonna pause this. Alright. You can see the lines are in my full body and not in much in my legs, but alright. So let me do these. I don't think it is making, like, you can see the lines are still not that much visible. Okay, now let's do it for setting. Webcam on and just taking my setting position. You can see the lines of lines, okay? And alright, let's train the model, and I'm gonna pause it again till training. And training is completed, and let's see what does it do. Let me just do it. No, I'm going further and sitting. Alright. Let me again set it for my standing. It is confusing because it's not still the same. Standing, it is coming. Yes. Standing. And if I do it again and watch till the last, when you open this this teacher pose model, it will first download that pose, that pretend model. Okay, I forgot to tell you this. So setting, so that's how you can do. I need to repeat this, I guess. When you open this pose model project, it will actually start downloading that PoseNet pretend model. Okay, so you gotta wait for that. I forgot to tell you. Well, so that's how you can do pose classification, and you can again export the model, and let's see. They've given in the script in JavaScript. I mean the code in JavaScript format. Alright, okay. Download my model, upload my model. Alright. So that's how you can do. I showed you how to do image classification, face classification, audio project, and pose project, and hope they are developing more kind of projects. So if you like this video, means if you found this video useful, like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and follow me on Instagram because I am posting hell lot of things there. Okay, and follow me on TikTok also. Okay then, see you with the next tutorial. Bye bye.